Hi, Emery.
Hi.
What story did we tell with those pictures?
Guardian.
Can you show me the first picture and tell me what happened?
She is a bird. She said it was too hot, and she said big man too hot, and medium man not medium. So she was there, and she finished all it.
Okay. What happened in the next picture?
Next picture, she broke the chair.
Yeah. And what happened in the third picture?
She's sleeping baby bed.
Yep. And then what happened at the end?
At the end, she go to bed.
Yeah. And then who came home?
Bear.
And what happened?
And what happened? He say, get off of the bed.
That's the end of the story?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye, Emery.